Understanding South Africa, a Mosaic of Cultures. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of South Africa to explore its rich ethnic and cultural diversity. South Africa, often referred to as the Rainbow Nation, is a true melting pot of cultures, languages, and histories. Let's embark on this journey to understand how this nation's cultural tapestry came to be. South Africa has a complex history that's shaped its current ethnic landscape. Colonization, migration, and historical events have led to a blend of indigenous, European, Asian, and other influences. Understanding this past is key to appreciating the nation's diversity today. South Africa boasts several major ethnic groups. Zulu. As the largest ethnic group, the Zulu people have a rich history and have significantly influenced South African culture. Xhosa. Another significant group, the Xhosa people have their unique traditions, often highlighted by their vibrant ceremonies and rituals. Afrikaners. These are descendants of Dutch, German, and French settlers. Their history and language, Afrikaans, play an integral role in the South African identity. Cholerids. This group has a mix of ethnic backgrounds including Malaysian, Indonesian, Indian, white, and indigenous African ancestries. Their history is deeply entwined with the Cape region. Indian South Africans, brought in as laborers in the 19th century, this group has since grown and integrated, adding a distinct flavor to the country's cultural mix. Others. South Africa is home to many other groups such as the Sotho, Tswana, and Venda, each adding to the nation's diversity. South Africa's motto is, "Unity in Diversity." This underscores the country's commitment to building a nation where all ethnicities and cultures coexist in harmony. The post-apartheid era, especially, has seen great strides in ensuring representation, equality, and shared cultural exchange. A testament to its diversity, South Africa has 11 official languages. This includes Zulu, Xhosa, Afrikaans, English, and many others. Each language holds a mirror to the cultures, histories, and beliefs of its speakers. South Africa's Rainbow Nation nickname isn't just for show. It genuinely reflects the myriad of colors, traditions, languages, and histories that make up this great nation. We hope this glimpse into South Africa's ethnic groups and diversity has been enlightening for you. As you continue your English learning journey, remember that every language and culture brings with it a world of wisdom and beauty. Happy learning!